Good morning, children. Hope we are fine at home. So, all of you know that in the previous class we learned about the topic unity and diversity. In this class, we are going to learn the same topic, unity and diversity. But in this class, we are going to discuss about how geographical and historical factors influence the diversity of a particular place. In the last class, we took the example of Ladakh. In this class, we are going to discuss about in detail in Kerala how the geographical and historical factors of Kerala influence our diversity. Now, we are going to discuss in detail what is the geographical and historical factors of Kerala, how it influence our diversity. So, the Kerala is located into the southwest corner of India. So, Kerala is located into the southwest corner of India, and you can see the one side of Kerala is blessed with water or sea, and the other side is hills and mountains. Hills and mountains. So, you know that so many district of Kerala is blessed with so many spices like cardamom, cloves, pepper, etc. For searching these spices, for getting these spices, different people from different countries from the ancient period itself, they visited Kerala. They include Jewish, Arab traders. Jewish and Arab traders. One of the important or famous Arab trader who visited Kerala is Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta is an Arab trader who visited Kerala and he stayed Kerala for a long time and he studied about the people of Kerala, the culture of Kerala, and he wrote a travelogue. The historian got so many information about the accounts of Ibn Battuta. So Ibn Battuta is the best example of a Arab traveler. Next, the Portuguese also visited India. The Portuguese visited India when Vasco da Gama reached India in the year 1497 July. The people of Kerala belong to different religions such as Islam, Christianity, Hinduism and Buddhism. And almost all the religious festivals are celebrated in Kerala. Okay, then you already I already discussed you that in Kerala has so many influence with other countries like Arabs, Jews, etc. They reached Kerala for getting spices and all. So for the same purpose, Chinese peoples also visited Kerala. By influence of this Chinese people, we get some of the words that is China Vala, China Chedi, etc. Okay, China Vela is a fishing net. China Vela is a fishing net and China Chetty is a type of vessels we used for generally used for cooking. Then Kerala is also a fertile land. The main crop which is grown in Kerala is rice. So Kerala is best for the rice cultivation. The people generally use rice, fish and vegetables. Okay, the people generally use rice, fish and vegetables. When we compare the case of both Ladakh and Kerala, we see some similarities. Okay, so we can find a comparison between the Ladakh and Kerala. So when we compare the geographical features, you know that the two areas is a different geographical features. Ladakh is a cold desert, but in the case of Kerala, it has what mountains, plains, rivers, and etc. The geographical factors of these two areas is totally different, but we have seen so many historical factors, similar historical factors. Similar historical factors means when we discussed about the case of Ladakh, you know that different persons visited Ladakh for getting wool and all. You studied about Pasmina wool and all. For getting Pasmina wool for trade route, so many persons visited Ladakh. Okay, for in Kerala, the different person like Arab traveler, the different travelers visited Kerala for getting spices. So both Ladakh and Kerala was a place for visiting so many other foreigners. By visiting these places by so many foreigners, They also transmitting different type of ideologies, religious practice, food items, dress materials, new words, new things you learn about in the case of Kerala, Chatti, Chinavala, etc. I mean, so many things, so many words, so many food items, new religion, new type of thoughts, belief are transmitted one place to another apart from the transmission of foreign trade and all. Okay, I think you learn about how geographical and historical factors influence the diversity of a particular country. By transmitting these ideas, by transmitting some of the books, by transmitting the people's thoughts, ideas, this type of transmission, that is the geographical and cultural transmission will happens along with this what trading activity. Okay, so this is about the case of Kerala and Ladakh. I think you clearly understand about how geographical and historical factors influence the diversity of a particular place. Okay, children, we want to learn so many things regarding to the same topic into the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.